All we do is R&D. We live and breathe it. Radium Capital is Australia's #1 R&D financer, powering Australian innovation. We give companies early access to their R&D Tax Incentive. Everyone at Radium is passionate about what we do and dedicated and genuinely interested in our clients and their journeys and their successes.
It's a unique position where I get to see some of the most amazing things that's up and coming before anybody else gets to see them.
And because we are a sector agnostic business, one day we might be talking to someone that is working with seaweed, and then the next day we might be talking to someone that builds motorcycles.
We design, manufacture and sell high-performance electric motorcycles. The impact Radium's had on our business is actually huge. Savage Motorcycles wouldn't be here if it wasn't for R&D financing. This is something I've wanted to do ever since I was a kid. Now we've got a whole bunch of customer pre-orders, we're delivering product to customers, we're ramping up production, and I think that we could grow the business to 200,000 units a year. It's a super, super exciting time.
There are many, many companies out with great ideas, but without finance to bring those ideas to fruition, they're worth nothing.
The future's exciting for Sea Stock. We're the only known company in the world to be extracting multiple products out of Asparagus seaweed. It's got some high-value compounds in it which help livestock lower their methane emissions by up to 90%. Everything we do is about R&D and innovation. There's challenges. One of those is around access to funding.
We've managed to take R&D lending to a key strategic finance product for companies that's going through an R&D phase.
So with Radium's support, we can keep pushing through our R&D milestones.
Radium itself was a startup and we've been through the journey and we've had all the learnings, so we fully understand it.
When Radium was established, we were the second customer that accessed funding through Radium. And so the relationship's very powerful for us and been very important. We've also seen Radium grow, and that's been really inspiring. Agtech has created its own building system, which is the most unique building system in the world. With Radium, we've been able to advance our R&D programs and we've been able to bring our technology to market faster. Our vision for housing is to solve the affordable housing crisis globally.
Innovation can be such a lonely journey, and we see ourselves as ecosystem enablers and connectors.
Radium Capital have been a collaboration and ecosystem partner of Core Innovation Hub since August 2023. I think what makes them different is the value and the importance they place on community, those surrounding support mechanisms.
Radium Capital is more than money. We also provide access to resources, networking and connections that the companies and innovators themselves need to thrive.
Radium has had a huge impact over the last 8 years. It's been funding, demonstrated in the numbers that we've had since we've started. So 1,000 companies that we've dealt with, over 3,000 loans. That's 1,000 companies that may not have got to where they need to go to without Radium funding them along their journey.
Radium are highly professional. They're a trusted member of your team, really.
We have always felt like a valued client.
Radium Capital's funding makes a difference every day.
We've funded innovation in many different sectors that have had life-changing impacts across the globe.